Now that you have set up your first WordPress site and installed WordPress and have an HTTPS connection, which means that an SSL certificate is activated, the first thing that I recommend you to do is actually set your website to private till you successfully implement the first changes and, for example, add a privacy policy, an impressum, and so on. So how can you do that? You click on plugins and then you click on add new, and then you can install this plugin. So first you have to download it, then you have to install it. When you did that, here will come something which is called My Private Site. Then you click on it, and then here you click on Site Privacy. Then you simply click on this checkbox and set Save Privacy Status. And then every time somebody actually wants to log in on your web page, the only possibility he or she will have is actually to log in with an actual account, which means that only you can log in for now. I recommend you to do that so you can easily do all the changes you need before you set your website to public. This is not a bulletproof solution, but I believe that it fulfills its purpose, because when you do it right in the beginning, your website is almost empty and there are only a few methods to actually access everything you have on your web page for people that have ill intents. But as long as nobody knows what you're doing on your web page and your website is set to private in the beginning, there should be no issues. This is what I recommend for the start. The next video will be about how you can actually make a backup and simply restore from a backup with a zip file.